Do you always like your voice when you're singing? If not, this video is for you. I'm Claire Conley, voice teacher and singer. Tell me in the comments when you don't like your voice and why. It is common for singers to make noises and us be like, oh my gosh, that's the most terrible noise I've ever made in my life. I encourage you this week not to judge the noises you're making, but to feel your body and how the sound feels. When you get super high in your register, y'all, if you're doing it correctly, it should not hurt in your throat and it might sound really, really screechy and thin, but it feels amazing. So I hope you have a voice teacher you can trust and tell you you're on the right track, or one that also tells you when you're not on the right track. So again, if it feels great in your throat, you're most likely going in the right direction. If you like what you hear, check out my online coaching program, claireconley.com. Bye, y'all.